Hey everyone, today we have here a 2017 Smart Car Fortwo. This one is a full electric vehicle. Customer wanted to have a remote starter in the car, so we installed a remote starter for him. So I just locked the vehicle, so your car is locked. Lock the vehicle, the car is completely closed. Now we're gonna remote start the vehicle. So we're gonna hold the start button. Vehicle receive the command. In a few seconds the car will start. We're just gonna go to the driver's side and you can see the ready mode. So you can see here inside we have the ready mode, the car is running. And to enter the vehicle we're simply gonna press the remote, unlock the doors, and we will be able to get in. So I'm just gonna unlock the doors. Now we can get in the vehicle. Now, since the car is ready, all we have to do is, this is a key vehicle, it's not a push button, so you have to turn the key on, press the brake, and we are ready to drive. The remote starter for Smart Car is available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.